Okay, so this is what I meant by getting up on my cabinets to adjust the shelves. If you look at the glass shelves that are up there, the glass cabinets, there's 1, 2, 3 shelves inside of it, and then it's creating like 1, 2, 3, 4 sort of cubby spaces or 4 sections in each of the cabinets. Because I want to go ahead and style that area, I feel like having 4 spaces in each cabinet to style, it's gonna make it look really busy, especially for a top cabinet. That's one of my concerns. So I'm thinking I'm gonna take out one of the shelves in there and adjust the shelves to where there's just one in the middle, so that way there's only like 2 spots per cabinet to style versus 4, because I'm concerned it'll be too busy the way it is right now. And looking at it the way it is right now, it does look a little bit more broken up than I would like it to. So that's part of why I'm gonna do that. Wanted to give you a look of what it looks like before. Don't forget to stick around till the end so that you can get a global look of how the kitchen looks. I'm so excited to finally get to do this. So babe is helping me. We had to get out the big ladder. I was trying to use this one before, which is kind of a joke now that I see what he's doing, but we had to pull out the big ladder, and now we're adjusting the shelf heights in there. So I think we're gonna do 3. We initially thought maybe we would do 2, but we've adjusted the one on the left, so now there's 3 squares. This is what they looked like before, where it was like 4 small squares, and it just seemed like too many little boxes, and it just didn't look as clean as I wanted. So babe is up there, me and the brave soul helping adjust this.
Am I going to do it for that side too?
Yeah, it's gonna look weird if it's not even.
Today?
You already have the ladder out.
I charge by the hour.
Don't worry, babe. That looks good. Coming. So here you go. Dayo's already adjusted the left side. Now look at that compared to what it looked like before, which is the right side. So we're getting ready to go ahead and start working on that right side now. All done. Look at that. Even on both sides. I like that the spaces are a little bit bigger, and now it's gonna give me some room to go ahead and put my serveware in there. Now that this is done, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my serveware. All of my serveware is currently in the cabinets above the refrigerator. So those cabinets right there above the fridge. Let's just go up there and see what we can find. So when I go in here, so I have some carafes and pitchers, and I've got my bowls and things up here. I'm sure I have more items, more serveware in this cabinets over here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start grabbing some stuff that we're gonna display and get started. I start out by going up the ladder and grabbing all the items myself and then bringing them down and placing them on the counter. And I soon realized that was probably a terrible idea because I was having to go up and down so many times. So Dayo did come to help me so that I could grab the items and hand them off to him, and this made the process go by so much faster. If you've been here for any amount of time, then you know I do not care for heights. So what I actually ended up doing was climbing up with the smaller ladder and then standing on the countertop to be able to style the cabinets up top. When styling upper glass cabinets, just as with styling the rest of your home, it really comes down to your personal taste. One advice that I do give clients is if you have multiple shelves in your upper cabinets, just like I do in mine, then you probably want to be careful when it comes to color selection. Because think about it, if I'm throwing multiple colors up there like blue, red, green, yellow, it could get pretty busy very fast. Now, if I'm going for an eclectic look, then that's perfect. But for me, I like a more subtle look. I want to be able to display those items, but I also don't want it to be so loud up there that it takes away from the rest of the decor in the kitchen. So my primary goal here is to go ahead and style my space with clear items, different shades of white, and different shades of grays. That's really what I was looking for because I still want my vent hood to be the focal point of my kitchen. I still want my lighting on the island to be a great focal point. And I just wanted the items that I put up there for display to just be little touches that draw your attention subtly. So I won't be incorporating too many colors into my design. However, when I'm working with a client and they only have one layer of cabinets up there that they're styling, then I do advise that we're able to play with color a little bit more depending on your taste. Incorporating color is always a great idea. You just want to make sure it ties into the rest of your space, especially if you have an open floor plan. Just as a quick reminder, don't forget to take breaks while you're putting items up for display. Get off the ladder, get a global look at it because you might realize, ooh, I really don't like how something looks. You might also realize you need to maybe move something over a little bit so that it's more centered to the glass, or maybe you want to switch where some items are. So be sure to take breaks, get down. If you have someone to help you, even better, you can stay on the ground and kind of direct them on where you want those items placed. Look, friends, I'm going to be honest with you. We all love decor, but don't forget to always shop your home first. You don't want to have to go to the store to buy a million different things just to be able to style one space. So a majority of these items were items that I had at home previously, if not all. Always take a look at what you have around your space already and what you can incorporate. Take the time to notice the alternation of color, the different textures, the patterns, the layering that you're seeing in the cabinet. So that's really what's going to add interest and draw attention while also kind of keeping it subtle in your space. So incorporate things of different heights, incorporate things of different color. You just want to make sure you're keeping your space cohesive, even if you're using an accent color. So I'm going to step back a little bit and try to give you a global perspective of what the kitchen looks like. I am loving what those cabinets look like. And my apologies, guys. It was just so bright. You might be getting some reflection on this, but look at the items that are inside that cabinet. Oh my goodness, I love it. And these were just items laying around within my home. Now, I will say the vase in the center there is from My Curated Home Pieces online. Absolutely stunning. Now, the vase in the middle center here as well is also from My Curated Home Pieces and is in a sister collection with the vase on the right, which is in our Quinn collection. If you did not see the video on how I styled the kitchen countertops, don't forget to go back and take a look at that video. That is really just going to show you how you can tie your entire kitchen together, styling your countertops, in addition to this, styling any open cabinets that you might have. If you're new to our channel, welcome. My name is Mary, and if you're returning, welcome back. Don't forget to go back and watch our interior design videos, DIYs, and our empty house tour. You can also shop curated home decor and book interior design services on our website, mycuratedhomepieces.com. Come back next week to see me style our living room floating shelves. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, Joy Fam.